And here, wireless, extra storage. And then for your armrest, you can keep your arm here. Extra storage space, I won't interfere with your. And for these cup holders that actually can unlock, so you can take them out of the car as well. It's gonna double as a camera. So I flip this. This is one angle that you can see, one camera, and you can keep this on while you drive as well. You have this here that opens all the way up.
Where are we? Yes.
$24.
22, 24.
For export, okay? You cannot send it to another country.
Yeah?
Não, onde tem?
Thank you.